I'm gonna be staying at one of the most exclusive hotels in Tokyo. I'll be staying at the Disney Toy Story Hotel, and let me just say that getting a reservation for this hotel was extremely difficult. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a pro and con of the hotel, as well as do a mini room tour. But before we get started, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe so you guys get notifications on future videos to help plan your next trip. So let's get started, shall we? We're taking the monorail from Maihama Station to the Toy Story Hotel. It's gonna be about a 5 to 10 minute ride that's gonna cost about $1 to $1.50. I came during the month of December, so you're gonna see a lot of Christmas decoration. Now, when you first arrive, you're gonna be at the Slinky Dog Park. It's basically a giant park where you're gonna hang out, take photos, and basically for all the kids to just play around. Eventually, you're gonna go up the walkway and get to the front of the Disney Toy Story Hotel, and the entrance is pretty nice. You guys, we just made it here to the Disney Toy Story Hotel. I'm super excited to check this place out because look at this place. It's so festive in Christmas Toy Story decor. There's even a tree behind me right there. So we're gonna check in, go to the restaurant, which is Lotso's Garden Cafe, and check out the rest of the hotel. When you arrive at Lotso Garden Cafe, you're gonna start by paying for your ticket first. This is basically your meal ticket to get into the restaurant, and once inside, they're gonna show you where you're gonna be sitting. There's a ton of Lotso decoration, which in this kind of light, showing him in a very, very happy fashion. When you get to the buffet area, which is pretty big, you're gonna grab your tray and load up, because from your time there, it's all you can eat, and so don't be afraid to go hard. There's a lot of Western dishes like scrambled eggs, chicken nuggets, but also some random assorted sausages. You also have your dim sum area, which I thought was really, really cool, along with pancakes, and of course, getting your drinks. You can get sodas or even some juice. Don't forget about the pastry. You can grab some of the bread, but there's also this ham, bread that you can use with chocolate to decorate his face on top of it. And I definitely ate my money's worth. We're finishing up the meal right now. I just wanted to kind of go over it. It was 3,400 yen. I just kind of feel like a lot of the items here are just very typical breakfast items you get at a buffet. You got scrambled eggs, bread, sausages. Nothing too mind-blowing for that matter. I suggest reservations, but I don't think you really need it if you're coming in the later part of the day. But in the meantime, I'm gonna wrap up the meal. We're gonna walk around the whole hotel because there's so much to do here. And then after that, we're gonna get checked in and give a little room tour. So here is the gift shop. It's called Gift Planet. We're gonna check it out. So the cool thing is they actually sell a lot of exclusive Toy Story hotel merch. This is a tote bag, Toy Story Besties. What fun. There's also the cone, which is actually a purse. Cool thing about a lot of these gifts that have like snacks is they kind of show you like a sample size, so you know what it looks like. It's like a napkin holder, and then there's ham on top. You can get the napkins for you. There's also a cone beanie on the first floor, which makes it pretty convenient if you just want to grab a quick bite. Here you can buy some food like sandwiches, there's also drinks you can get, and of course, ice cream. I definitely suggest loading up on some snacks and even some water because there is none in your hotel room. Right outside the cone beanie is another area that I'm just gonna dub as the second playground area. There's a ton of different Toy Story statues that you can take photos with, and a lot of other photo opportunities as well while you're here. I actually prefer this side just because I felt there were more interesting characters that I like myself, like Wheezy, but overall I just feel there's a lot more characters and design that I preferred. This whole place is decked out. I mean, look at the top. There's like little holiday decor for the little racetrack. Behind me is the guest services. That's where you go if you want to drop off your luggage, if you're heading straight to the hotel. Otherwise, you can do what we did. We went to the Welcome Center at Maihama Station, dropped off our luggage there, so it's probably already in our room. Once you head up to your room, you're gonna see how well thought out the decorations is. This side of the elevator is a Buzz theme, and the other side is the Woody theme. I actually prefer this side just because it looks a lot cooler, but the corridor and the hallways are pretty much the same. Our bags are shipped from the Welcome Center, so they're already right here, which is really, really nice. I like that the coat hangers are all colored individually. I don't know what they represent, but they are colorful. But the hotel slippers are super, super cool. Super creative. I love the detail. This here is just the vanity area, the sink area where you can do your makeup, get ready, brush your teeth. We have a hairbrush, amenity kit, toothbrushes, washcloth, towels, Everything you need right here. There's a hamper, there's even a footstool for the little ones if they can't reach the sink. But the one thing I am kind of disappointed about is that the amenities kit is this little tiny bag. The other hotels actually give you like a little kit, like a little case. This is super cool. There's a picture of Wheezy on the wall. Not much happening here except the toilet. What I'm noticing about this hotel room specifically is that it's really decked out on the Toy Story decor. You have your hot water kettle, your, I guess, cold water kettle, just in case you want to just have a bunch stored here. Underneath you have mugs, some tea packets, and the ice bucket. And the bottom drawer is going to be your pajamas. And on the top drawer, there's a safe along with a flashlight. And this guy is going to be the, oh, this is the fridge. This is actually really cool because they have 2 beds here, and within the 2 beds, there's a giant bed frame to just really kind of give that decorative feel of Andy's room. The beds are super decorative because they're kind of themed out to this Woody outfit. Also, I want to talk about this really sad table because it's like for one person. And this one here is a TV. This is super cool. I mean, you've got the cool Etch-a-Sketch like frame around it. It would have been cool though if you could just twist the knobs, but you can't. And underneath the TV is a really cool area. It's the trundle bed. And so a lot of Disney hotels will have trundle beds for just extra guests or maybe small children. Oh, whoa. They have these little cute little design of Woody, Jessie, and Buzz. Interesting enough, there's actually another trundle bed under this bed here. I'm dreading this part because every time I come to a Disney hotel, I'm thinking luxury, I'm thinking, you know, comfort. The one thing that I feel is not comfortable about any of these Disney hotels is the bed. The beds are a little more firmer. Yeah, this is definitely way too hard for me. I can't do this. I think the best part about our room specifically is that we actually got a view of the playground. This is a full complete breakdown of the pajamas. The cute little pinstripe of Buzz and the purple and green. Does it go all the way around? Nope. This is actually a lot more snug and like fitted than a lot of the other pajamas at the other hotels.
Here are my overall thoughts. The price point for the room when we booked was 39,500 yen a night. This comes to about $280 US, and for that price point, isn't that bad compared to the other Disney hotels. I love the way they decorated this hotel. It seems like they put a lot more time, energy, and effort in the way that they built this hotel. There's just so much attention to detail. Even the little things like the slippers was a nice touch. Just keep in mind there are some things I didn't like about this hotel compared to the other hotels. One of which is that they don't include any water bottles. The other Disney hotels included at least 2, but this one includes 0. For happy entry, they only offer it for Tokyo Disneyland. If you're not a hotel guest, you cannot enter the premises, so even if you want to go to the Slinky Dog Park, walk around the hotel grounds, or even dine at Lotso Garden Cafe, you will not be allowed to enter. When you arrive, you have to show them your email which shows the reservation or your hotel key card. But overall, out of all the Tokyo Disney hotels, this has got to be my favorite.
So do you think you'd book a night at the Toy Story Hotel? Let me know down in the comments. In the meantime, go ahead and hit like and subscribe so you can get notifications on future videos. And I hope this video helps you guys plan your next Tokyo Disney trip. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.